Good evening, students. This is video number 13, part 3, and the topic is Principle of Reversibility. Now, this principle states that the path of a light ray is reversible. The path of a light is reversible. Let this is the boundary of separation between the two medium. Let this medium is air and this medium is water. Let this is the incident ray falling on the boundary of separation between the two media. This is the normal. Now this angle is angle of incidence. Clear? And let this is the water. Since the ray of light is coming from optically rarer medium to optically denser medium, so it will bend towards the normal like this. And let this is a plane mirror. This mirror is placed in such a way that it falls, this refracted ray falls normally on it. And we know that when a ray of light falls normally on the plane mirror, it retraces its path. It retraces its path. So this angle is angle of refraction. Now we will apply second law of refraction. According to law of refraction. According to law of refraction. So, refractive index of water with respect to air. This will be equal to what? Sine of angle I upon sine of angle R. Let this is 1. Now, according to principle of reversibility, the path of the ray is reversible. So, you can write here according to principle of reversibility. Reversibility. So refractive index of air with respect to water. This is sine of angle R upon sine of angle I. This is equation number 2. Now let us multiply. Now on multiplying equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. It will be like this. Refractive index of water with respect to air into refractive index of air with respect to water. This is equal to sine of angle I upon sine of angle R into sine of angle R upon sine of angle I. This and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled, and this is equal to 1. So we can write refractive index of water with respect to air, that is equal to 1 upon refractive index of air with respect to water. So this is the principle of reversibility. This is the principle of reversibility. Means refractive index of medium 1 with respect to 2 with respect to 1 is reciprocal the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. So this is what principle of reversibility is. Thank you.